Hello guys, welcome back to Chonzsky's channel. Rawr. Guys, pag-uusapan natin ngayon kung paano mag-live using your OBS software, kung paano i-setup ito. On the upper left of your screen, you can see the streaming icon. At yan naman ang icon kung gagamitin nyo ang webcam ng inyong laptop. Ito ang manage icon kung saan makikita nyo ang mga hindi nyo pa napapublish na mga live stream. Pindutin lamang ang stream setup help upang makuha nyo ang stream key. You should never share your stream key with others. It is strictly classified. Copy your stream key. After copying your stream key, you may proceed to your OBS software and click on Settings. Click on the stream icon. Click on the server, choose YouTube, and then paste the stream key on the stream key box and then click on Save. All you need to do is to click that start recording button at the bottom right corner on your OBS software, and then you're ready to go live. But before you go live, you should take time to think of a compelling title, add a description, and check the visibility of your live streaming if you want it to be public, unlisted, or private. Next, we're going to categorize our live stream, and I will choose how to and style, and then we're gonna put on a thumbnail. We can use our camera to take a snapshot of our thumbnail, or we can just simply upload our pre-edited thumbnail in our computer. Of course, this is optional, we're gonna put our live stream in a playlist. We can create a new one, or we can add it to an existing playlist. Once done, we're gonna mark it as no. It is not made for kids because there is no child content on this video. And also, don't forget to put tags. Put specific keywords in order for the YouTube algorithms to be able to find or search your video when someone is typing those specific tags. And there you have it. You can now go live as it is, and you may also like, subscribe, and share. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.